What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm actually going to be doing a quick unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, if you guys have been keeping up with my videos, you know that I recently went to ISS in Houston, Texas, and while I was there, Ulano reached out to me about working with me and, you know, me doing some reviews and stuff like that for some of their products. So while I was there, they ended up giving me a quart of emulsion, which is right here. This is their trifecta emulsion. As soon as I get a chance to use it, I will be doing a review for you guys. I met with Satin Imani, and she talked with me about a little about their product. With trifecta, you can actually use it for water-based inks, discharge inks, and plastisol inks. So it's your 3-in-1 emulsion, so that you don't have to worry about it, it washing out when using water-based inks and stuff like that. So, you know, I'm ready to try that out as soon as I get a chance. And right here, as you know, my main emulsion that I use is the Ulano orange, and right here you can see that they have shipped me looks like a whole gallon of the Ulano orange, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see if it's anything else inside. But I really appreciate you, Ulano, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and let you guys check it out. Alright, so right here we've got a whole gallon of the Ulano orange emulsion. And if you guys been watching my videos, you have seen me using this Ulano emulsion, which is orange, when you see me using the orange screens. But yeah, this is my go-to emulsion right here. But I will be trying out this trifecta emulsion. And once again, I'd like to thank everybody over at Ulano for sending this out to me, especially unexpectedly. I appreciate it. And I will leave links down below for places where you can purchase the Ulano emulsions. They have many different ones. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, I'll have links for those below also. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV, and you can also join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.